Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install Java OpenJDK with the following command. To check if Java is installed correctly, run the next command. Check the Tomcat 10 package information with the next command. Now install Apache Tomcat to your Ubuntu system with the following command. To check if service is installed correctly, run the next commands. Run the next command to check if the Apache Tomcat is using the next port. Now open the Tomcat user configuration file with the next command. Insert the following configuration between the Tomcat user and the Tomcat user closed. When finished, save and exit the file. Now open the configuration for the Tomcat host manager and manager with the NANO editor. Comment on the following configuration. Save and exit the file. After editing, run the following command to restart the Tomcat 10 service and apply the new changes. Now, go into your web browser and visit your IP address with the next port. You should see the following. To install the Nginx web server, run the next command. When the installation is finished, create a new server block configuration with the following command. Add the configuration. Don't forget to change the server name with your IP name, with your server IP or domain name. Now run the next commands to activate the Tomcat 10 server block configuration and test your Nginx syntax. Run the following command to restart the Nginx service and apply the changes. Now to check if everything is working properly, use your web browser and go by your domain name or IP address without the port. You should see the following. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments. Now you can start work with Apache Tomcat. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.